بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My name is Tahir Muhammad Ali. I will present for the change management assignment. For the sake of short time, I will quickly summarize the main point of my task, my assignment. The title is DevOps. DevOps is a development operation. I will make this person tomorrow, guys. CT. DevOps is a comprehensive journey from manual deployment to automated excellence in Mogadishu, Somalia. The DevOps in the past decade introduced the rapid evaluation and software development with a DevOps emerging and transformative approach. Uh, until the development and operation team, DevOps enables fast delivery cycle, improve system reliability, and enhance collaboration. The traditional soil with workflow is created communication gap. That is what DevOps solve. The project overview, location in Toronto ICT, headquartered in Mogadishu, Somalia. Mission is to transform manual deployment to automated DevOps excellence. Uh, and I think the organization is cross-functional. The project team, project manager, deployment team, quality assurance engineers, system administrator, and DevOps engineers. The problem is manual deployment changes. I will explain the problems of manual deployment. On the way, a manual deployment has a several problems. At first, the developer commit the changes push into the Git or GitLab or other solution is administrator notice manually, and the manual server access admins log in and into the production server pool latest code, manual build and configuration. The compiler and a components adjust the configuration field by the hand and server restart, and it will need to start the server manually. Critical problems and identified deployment delays, human error risk, environment inconsistency, and the late of test integration, no code participation, and a limit of monitoring. Uh, Organizational impact of manual deployment, surface outage frequently downtime during the after deployment, customer satisfaction, the client in frustration with the reliability and the maintenance, developer productivity, time of waste of time for developer productivity, and the operational history. The solution of DevOps transformation. The strategy of transformation for the goal is reduce manual dependency, improve system reliability, and short deployment cycle, and increase team collaboration and implement productivity monitoring. GitLab CI/CD continuous development. First, building state, system state, security and quality scan, container packaging, then deployment automatically without human intervention. The core depth of practice implements continuous integration, continuous monitoring, continuous deployment, and the continuous testing. Docker containers. The benefit of Docker is environment drafted after Docker container is consistency. So enhancement for testing quality, assurance, automated smoke testing, and the strategic code analysis, monitoring and observation. We use to monitor for the Grafana in LCOK and Munit. So training needs analyze, flower training, quality engineers, and the system administrators and DevOps engineers. Phase 3 is a training program called around conceptual foundation, technical capability development, and operational integration, training development framework. Level 1 reaction, level 2 behavior, level 3 aligning, and level 4 for result. This is a training diagram of budget, reduced budget, transformation, source, key achievement, limit of manual This end of my presentation.